Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you may be watching this from. This is Cornelius Binda with another video. This is on addition mathematics, vectors. Now looking at parametric equations of a line in two space or two dimensions. So the format of a vector equation was such like this: x, y is equal to x naught y naught plus the parameter t, direction vector m1 m2. So this is called the vector equation. Now this vector equation, it had these brackets. That's the difference between a parametric equation and a vector equation. You check the brackets. Look at the brackets. So here you can see that there are no brackets. We just have x is equal to x naught plus t multiplied by m1. Y is equal to y naught plus t multiplied by m2. So this format is for a parametric equation. This x naught represents the x coordinate for the position vector. What is written here is with its tip on the line. So with its tip on the line. Then y coordinate for the position vector. So this is the x coordinate for the position vector, y coordinates, because column vectors are written in a form like this: x, y. Then we have m1, m2. m1 represents the x coordinate for the direction vector. The m2 represents the y coordinate for the direction vector. Parameter t is coming from here. So if we just remove the brackets, then t times m1 is tm1. T times m2 is tm2. The parameter t can be a number. It can just be a certain number. So this is the format for writing a parametric equation. So you can write a parametric equation in two ways: x, y, like that. Then we have x naught, y naught, y naught, plus the parameter t m1 plus the parameter t m2, or you can do it like this: x is equal to x naught, y is equal to y naught, plus in this case we can group, plus we group the direction vectors together to give us one thing like this. Sorry, this was a mistake. Like this. So we can write like this, where we have expanded, or we can do this. But the main difference is that everything with x is supposed to be aligned, everything with y is supposed to be aligned. But the best way to represent is using this way. So this is the recommended way. Yeah, it's the recommended way. Then this is just another way of representing a parametric equation. This is the vector equation. Thank you so much for watching this video. This video was made to explain a parametric equation in two space. This is the format for finding a parametric equation in two space. This has been Cornelius Binda, and bye bye.